Welcome, it's your girl Sage Monroe, and this video is going to be on the experience me and my girls had at Chattahoochee River Tubing in Georgia. Now y'all know before we do anything, we got to get the energy together, okay honey? We had Sage, Palo Santo, and you know Miracle came through with the incense. Now we came 15 goddesses deep, okay? So after everyone signed up, we loaded onto the bus and everybody was so excited. It's always good energy, good vibes. Next, we headed to the location where they actually drop us off at the river, and then we connected our tubes 5 each. The river ride is going to take approximately 4 hours in total, so I definitely recommend you bringing your speaker for music, plenty snacks, and don't forget your sunscreen because on the day that we went, the sun was not shy. I definitely recommend getting a closed tube because the water was freezing cold, but it was still very calming and relaxing and still. While the float, I took in all the beautiful feminine energy around me. We talked aspirations, we talked self-love and healing, and I just could not be any more grateful for this community. All in all, I would give this experience a 10 out of 10. The establishment was professional, nature was giving, and the ladies came through with the vibes. Can't wait to do it again. Thanks for watching.